seeing you, all of you here, and we sincerely thank you for accepting our invitation and gracing the occasion. RBL Bank started in the year 1943, is one of the few banks which started prior to independence and going strong. We have around 550 branches across the country, out of which 7 branches are in the state of Goa, and RBL Bank is committed to provide employment to the local people. As far as the CSR is concerned, one of the value of RBL Bank is community as a cause. As part of that, RBL supports health, education and livelihood opportunities. In the education initiative, we have scholarship and we also provide cycles to the needy girl children. In the state of Goa, including the initiative which we are taking now, we would be distributing around 500 cycles to the girl children. And sir, Chief Minister sir, I think you are a lucky charm for us. You started this initiative first time, and with you we started this program. And sir, I'm proud to say that this initiative won us an Asia Money Award, a prestigious award for the bank. And who else can better person to inaugurate this today, sir?
ओके, हांव परत एकदा तुमच्या लागीं मागता की RBL बँकेचे वयर बसता तांचे ऑफिसर्स आनी सकयल बसता ते ऑफिसर्स नेटान तांच्या खातीर परत एकदा ताळयो मारा. मुद्दामून आपल्या आईक आनी बाबाक सांगात RBL बँक तांची बँक ज्या जाग्यार आसा एक्चुअली तांचें काम हे मॅक्झिमम ते एग्रीकल्चर फिल्डात काम करता. कितून एग्रीकल्चर लोन दिवपाचें काम. एग्रीकल्चराक म्हणजे जो शेतकरी शेत करता आनी शेता खातीर म्हणजे शेत आसतलें, नुस्तें आसतलें, डेरी आसतली, हाज्या खातीर चडांत चड लोन दिवपाचें काम हे सातत्यान एग्रीकल्चर बँक रत्नाकर बँक लिमिटेड तांचें काम आसा. This is the third time you are distributing? Third time you are distributing the bicycles especially for the girl child. Honorable Prime Minister has initiated the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program, and under this Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program, cycle is very much useful in other states. No doubt, in our state there are the school buses are there, but still they'll use these cycles for their tuition purpose, for their education purpose, for everything. And definitely under the PM's program of the PM Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, you are promoting this program of the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, and for that you are you are handovering the cycles especially for the girl child. Once again, congratulations for the RBL Bank for the distribution of the cycle. तुम्ही in future केन्ना तरी जर वेळ मेळ्ळी जाल्यार दुसऱ्याक दितले काय ना? होय काय ना? होय जाल्यार म्हज्या बरोबर भारत माता की